Bună ziua, ISEC in Romania. My name is Hugo Pereira and I'm Vice President of Operations and Strategy at ISEC International. I hope that you are having an awesome conference, and to work as an orchestra you need to understand the role and contribution of each one. So as you might know, in an orchestra, to work perfectly, each person understands exactly their role and how to do it in a perfect way so that it sounds really good and it sounds in an amazing way for the audience. So that's another thing that I'll focus on, that is the audience. One of the things that I would like to know is that people that go to an orchestra, they really enjoy what they are going to see. They already have some expectations and they expect the best. And also they expect that the people that are, let's say, the people that are doing the music, they are synchronized. So when they are all together playing the music, it sounds perfect. It sounds really good. What I would like to ask to you is, are you working as an orchestra? Are you synchronizing your objectives and your role as ISEC? Imagine that you are, for sure, you are in an LC. So if you are in an LC, how many students are really enjoying ISEC in your university? So if you have 1,000 students or 2,000 students, how many of them have the opportunity to interact with ISEC? And if you go to see the other side, how many organizations are working with you that are the really relevant ones? So my final message was that if you want to work really as an orchestra, you need to understand what kind of orchestra you want to be. And if you are that synchronized that you can play a big role in a network at a global level and also at a national level. All the best for you and enjoy a lot your conference. Bye.
Go. Hey, ISEC in Romania. I am Vishal, currently AIVP Talent Management, and here's a small little message for you. I love orchestras, and now that you're trying to create this better symphony and make music for ISEC in Romania, a small input from my side, or a few notes that I may add. I would say, because I'm from talent management, I'd suggest looking at your members and how you can use your members to really create this amazing performance for ISEC in Romania. So I was just going through your statistics this morning, and I noticed that you have more than 1,000 members, at least on the system, and the system shows that you have 141 leaders. So if I look at the number of members you have and the number of leaders, I'm sure you can look at how your structures they can be flexible, more customized to provide more leadership opportunities to your increasing number of members, because you're consistently increasing in your members. Also, you shouldn't just increase in members and leaders for increasing in the numbers. You should increase in all of these to increase your organizational goals. So when you look at talent management, how can you keep an eye on the big picture? So what is the song that you want to compose? And your members are your instruments, are your music, are your words. So how can you have the right members in place? So how can you, during recruitment, really plan to what is the song you want to make in the end? What are the members you need who can help you make the song? What are the skills that they need to be able to be better musicians? So please look at getting the right people, give them the right skills, and I'm sure a great performance awaits us. Also, while you're at it, make sure you use the competency model, because the model will help your members perform better. It will help you with your selection, with your leadership development, with every single way. You guys are doing fantastic. International Train the Trainers as a part of the conference sounds amazing, and all these amazing initiatives. So keep up all the good work, and I hope to really see ISEC in Romania on the stage. Cheers.
Bună, ISEC in Romania. My name is Lucas. I'm current Vice President Information Management in ISEC International, and last year I was MCP of ISEC in Colombia. So I had the pleasure to work with one Romanian, Mishu. I guess you all know her. I wanted to tell you something. In order for you to work, to function as an orchestra, you need to be able to find answers to those burning questions. But before you find answers to those burning questions, you actually need to come up with those questions. Actually, I have a few questions for you guys. Having more than 1,000 members as ISEC in Romania, and having only over 200 exchanges a year, does it represent a productive entity in ISEC? Are your members actually doing what they should be doing? Focus on the core activities that are generating more experiences for our organization and contributing to the organizational goals and their development. Another question, are your structures flexible enough that you can basically take any opportunity from the external environment and build something around ISEC activities and come up with more experiences for your members? Before you answer those questions, I think you need to go to more fundamental questions, to those burning questions that are going to take you to a different level. is the organizational understanding of ISEC in Romania? Has the organizational understanding evolved enough according to the external relevance that ISEC can have in your country? Another question would be, are you in ISEC because you want to have a better CV, or are you in ISEC because you want to be part of the next generation that is going to lead Romania as a country to a different level? I think by answering those last two questions, you will be able to see what is the relevance of Romania, of ISEC in Romania. And by finding that relevance, you will be able to influence your operations and to see how is the way that ISEC should be run in a country like Romania. So have a great conference and have nice discussions. La revedere!